morning, my dear students. I hope you are all safe and good. Welcome to Edistar online math class for class 4. We have completed our term 1 exam. I hope term 1 math question paper was very easy. Most of you have got above 40 marks out of 50. Very good students. I am very happy about that. Still, few of you need to improve. I hope you will do that. Will you? Still, I need to check around 10 mails. I will reply that to today itself. Students, I found few mistakes in your answer sheets. Not at all, few of you did. That was, I have explained some instructions to you about how do you write the test. Even though you did this, please don't do this in your upcoming test. Some of you have written the questions also in the answer sheet, and some of you have written direct answers as like a one word for 2 mark and 3 mark questions without mention the steps. For that, I gave only 1 mark in term 1. In future, if you follow this, I won't give marks. Okay, mom, try to avoid those mistakes in future. Let us begin the term 2 class, chapter 7, fractions. In fractions, part 1 session, we are going to see about what is fraction and equivalent fraction. Fractions. Fraction means it is a part of a whole. Whole means all. Consider one sketch box. In sketch box, 12 sketches are there. So, here 12 is the whole. Suppose if you take 2 sketches alone from that 2 is the part of that 12. Okay, ma'am. Let us see this with the examples. Circle. Here, how many circles are there? Only one circle. Now, this circle is partitioned into 2 parts. In these 2 parts, one part is colored. The fraction is 1 by 2. Total number of equal parts is 2. In that, colored part is 1. So, the fraction is 1 by 2. We have to write the total number of equal parts down of the line. And how many parts colored, that we have to write up of that line. Next, the circle is partitioned into 4 parts. So, total number of parts is 4. Equal part is 4. In this, only one part is colored. So, the fraction is 1 by 4. Next, the circle is partitioned into 4 equal parts. In that, 3 parts is colored. So, the fraction is 3 by 4. So, down of the line, you have to write the total number of equal parts. Up of that line, you have to write the colored part or shaded parts. Look at this square. This square is totally partitioned into 4 equal parts. In that, the colored part is 3. So, the fraction is 3 by 4. The fraction is 3 by 4. Next, rectangle. Here totally how many parts are there? 5 equal parts are there. In that, how many parts is colored? Only one part. So what is the fraction? Yes, the fraction is 1 by 5. Next, 3 by 4. 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Denominator represents the total number of equal parts and numerator represents number of parts used or colored or shaded. The denominator is the total number of equal parts. Numerator is how many parts are used or colored or shaded. I hope students, now you are all clear about what is fraction. Next, let us see the example 1. Compare 3 by 7 and 3 by 7. When comparing two fractions, first we have to see the denominators. If the denominators are same, then start to compare the numerator. Here 3 by 7 and 3 by 7. Both the denominators are equal and numerators also equal. So the two fractions are equal. 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. Example 2. Compare 6 by 11 and 8 by 11. Here, first check the denominators. The denominators are equal. The denominators is 7. The denominators is 11. The denominators are equal in both the fractions. Next, let us see the numerators. Numerators are 6 and 8 that are different. So, compare the numerators. 6 is less than 8. So, the answer is 6 by 11 less than 8 by 11. Next, example 3. Arranging ascending order 3 by 17, 2 by 17, 6 by 17, 5 by 17. To arrange in ascending order also, we have to see the denominators first. Whether the denominators are equal or not. If the denominators are equal, and then start to compare the numerators. Here the denominators are equal for all the fractions, 17. Then start to compare the numerators. Here the numerators are 3, 2, 6 and 5. So the numerators are different. So arrange the numerators in ascending order. 2, 3, 5 and 6. Ascending order means you have already known we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. So the answer is 2 by 17 less than 3 by 17 less than 5 by 17 less than 6 by 17. Example 4. Arranging descending order 2 by 11, 7 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11. To arrange in descending order, we have to see the denominators first. whether the denominators are equal or not. Here, the denominators are equal. The denominators for all the fractions is 11. So, we have to compare the numerator. Numerator is 2, 7, 3, 4. So, we have to arrange the numerator in descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange the numerators in big to small. So, 7, 4, 3 and 2. According to that, arrange the fractions also. 7 by 11 greater than 4 by 11 greater than 3 by 11 greater than 2 by 11. Example 5. Find 1 by 2 of 48 grams. Solution. Here the whole is 48. The denominator is 2. Numerator is 1. First, we have to divide the whole by the denominator. So, 48 divided by 2, which is equal to 24. With that 24, we have to multiply the numerator. So, 24 into 1, which is equal to 24. So, the answer is 1 by 2 of 48 grams is 24 grams. Similarly, one more example. Example 6. Find 1 by 3 of 72 liter. Here the whole is 72. Denominator is 3. Numerator is what? Numerator is 1. First we have to divide the whole by the denominator. So 72 divided by 3, which is equal to 24. With that 24, we have to multiply the numerator. Here the numerator is 1. 24 into 1, which is equal to 24. So the answer is 1 by 3 of 72 liter is 24 liter. I hope students you have understand this example sums. Next we are going to see about equivalent fractions. Fractions that represent the same part of the whole. It means the numerator and the denominators of the fractions vary, but it represents the same part. Let us see this with the example. Example 1. Find first 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. So, we have to find first 4 equivalent fractions for the given fractions 3 by 5. To find the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Here we have to find first 4 equivalent fractions. So we have to multiply with 2, 3, 4 and 5. First multiply the numerator and the denominator with 2. 3 by 5, which is equal to 3 into 2 by 5 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. 6 by 10. So the fraction 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 5. Next, 3 by 5, which is equal to 3 into 3 by 5 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. 9 by 15. The fraction 9 by 15 is equal to 3 by 5. Next, 3 by 5, which is equal to 3 into 4 by 5 into 4. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. So, the fraction 12 by 20 is equal to the fraction 3 by 5. Next, 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into 5 by 5 into 5. 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So, the fraction 15 by 25 is equal to the fraction 3 by 5. We got we got 4 equivalent fractions for 3 by 5. The first 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5 are 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20 and 15 by 25. Once again I am telling, to find the equivalent fraction we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. If we multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the same number, we will get the equivalent fraction. Example 2. Find an equivalent fraction of 3 by 7 with denominator 42. Here the denominator is given 42. The fraction is 3 by 7. We have to convert the fraction 3 by 7 into the equivalent fraction with the denominator 42. With 7, if we multiply what number, we will get 42. With 7, if we multiply the number 6, we will get 42. So, both the numerator and the denominator we have to multiply with 6. 3 6 are 18, 7 6 are 42. So, the equivalent fraction of 3 by 7 is 18 by 42. 3 by 7 and 18 by 42 are equivalent fractions. One more example. Example 3. Check whether 2 by 5 and 10 by 25 are equivalent fractions. How can we check the given two fractions are equivalent or not? To check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not, we have to do cross multiplication. With the first fraction numerator, we have to multiply the second fraction denominator. And with the first fraction denominator, we have to multiply the second fraction numerator. So, 2 into 25, which is equal to 50. 5 into 10, which is equal to 50. We got the products are same. If we got the product when we cross multiply, if we got the products are same, then the given two fractions are equivalent fractions. So, here the fractions 2 by 5 and 10 by 25 are equivalent fractions. I hope students you have understand about equivalent fractions. In next class, I will give the classwork. Thank you, students.